back.
You buy him on the outside then because he was already
I
gone.
went in the inside of him.
Yeah.
Went out wide. So when I went in the inside of him, that's where he wanted to go.
Oh, you.
And I went out there in front of him to look at his spot. And then he had nowhere to go. And then he had his break. So you get a wee bit on him.
Yeah.
Then he goes then.
Yeah, it's
You have
tricky
to
though.
keep the head in when
It
you're
is.
ahead though. That's it.
It's a ballsy thing to do, like to just
Is that off
stick
there,
up the inside of somebody.
I
like
know.
that,
No,
break
it's
the lights.
It's all